and you're harvesting some fat for cooking. I told you guys that rabbits have subcutaneous fat, and this is it. This is the evidence. All this is fat. It's located on top of the flesh, so you can easily harvest it and use it for cooking. So this is a very old rabbit, and the farm where he got it from, ilikuwa imeishi vizuri, and you're going to be using this fat for cooking. You can see all the fat is resting on the flesh, either on top, on the exterior surface, or on the interior. So this is fat. Oh, this is fat. Very yummy. We'll be using this for cooking or other meals. Rabbit fat for cooking. Eh? Yes. So here it is. You can see. Remove the kidney. Yeah. Rest it there. Almost a kg of fat. Another one. Another one. Zoom in. Another one. There, you can see. Remove it from the surface. Scrap it. With a little patience, you can leave out very lean meat like that. You can see this is fresh now. Yeah. So subscribe and like.